I'm Reed, and we're gonna fly Elliott's awesome helicopter.
I'm gonna fly it, yo. Alright, let's go. The good thing about this is I can get it anywhere instead of using your webcam.
Get a top look of it.
Whoops! It's pretty sweet. So, Reed made his own account, and
None of my videos are as good as this.
no, we are not, because this is not his helicopter. Woo! That was so close to the ceiling. So anyways, oh yeah, if you hit the light, you're paying for the light. Bring it over towards the camera. Don't let it fly. Whoa!
Don't worry, I won't hit you.
Woo! Ooh, that nice cool breeze. Woo! God, that'd be funny if the camera could have the voice disguise. Land it. Oh!
Let's try that again. I need to try that again. I've never made a bad landing like that.
Put it on full.
Ta-da!
Better. Okay, good. Just making sure it has battery. Fly it over towards this way so it doesn't crush my iHome. Stop focusing. There it is. It's focused.
And watch this landing.
Woo! Fly it.
Let's have some fun.
Ow! Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! God!
Well, it's flying!
No! Oh, that hurt.
Sorry.
So
no, the genuine, one of a kind.
No, when
I'm flying this because I feel like it, and it's my dignity.
Don't say that. This video will be posted on Reed's channel and my channel.
Well.
Oh yeah, let it go.
I was just bringing it over.
You drained the battery that way. It will be posted on both of our channels since we both made it.
Yeah.
Whee! Oh, also check out AC/DC Thunderstruck. They have like all these like helicopters, like flying around, and they're like dropping bombs and stuff and shooting things.
Catch it.
It's oh my God, no!
Dodgeball!
Whoa! Oh!
Perfect landing!
Look at that! Look at that! Perfect landing!
We didn't even have this planned out.
Okay, let's get some music in here.
Oh yeah, put some music on. It's kind of boring.
Okay, keep flying it.
Oh, put in my touch. Hang on.
No, it won't fit your touch.
I can make it.
No.
I have awesome music though. Watch. Where is it? Billy.
No.
This is full.
Dude, that was full?
Yeah, I guess the battery's dead.
Nope.
That's full.
Okay,
Let's just make one good landing. Ta-da!
well, let's see.
We'll make another one with some music and stuff. Probably on Friday, maybe today if we have enough time.
We'll charge it.
Now.
Well, yeah, we'll start to charge it, shortly. If not, we'll charge, we'll have it by, 5 days from now?
I don't know, Friday. Just give him Friday.
The 18th. We'll have it the 18th. That provided everybody was healthy. The last 2 times we've, tried to have a sleepover. First of all, I was sick one time.
Shush.
And then my sister was sick, and yada, yada, yada. And so we couldn't have them 2 Fridays in a row. And there's some other reasons why. So anyways, right now it's charging, so see you Friday, if not later tonight. See ya. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay, but
Bye.
this is not the bye show.
Okay, fine. Whatever you say. Bye.